Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to import list of CSV contacts in Google Contact. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To import list of CSV contacts in Google Contact, go to Google Chrome and click on Google Apps icon and then click on Contacts. I will import contacts. I have already contacts in CSV file in my computer. I will import these contacts in just I will import these contacts in Google Contact. Now click on import on left pane. Now click on select file, select the file and click on open. Now click import to import contact, importing contacts. The contacts has been imported in Google Contact. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.